Okay, taking the last case, it is salt of weak acid and weak base. Okay, we have weak acid and weak base, and you combine them, and there is a formation of some salt. ठीक है, उन्हीं salts के बारे में आपको पढ़ना है जो weak acid और weak base से मिलके बनते हैं. ठीक है, चलिए बेटा ठीक है. अब इनमें कैटायन देख लीजिए क्या होता है और एनायन देख लीजिए क्या होता है. कैटायन जो होता है दैट इज अदर देन K पॉजिटिव एंड Na पॉजिटिव, while as anion जो होता है that is other than okay SO4 dianegative, NO3 negative and Cl negative. ठीक है, इन तीनों चीजों में से कोई भी नहीं होता है. ठीक है, ना तो कैटायन इनमें से होता है ना ही एनायन इनमें से होता है. फॉर एग्जांपल आप एग्जांपल कंसीडर कर सकते हैं NH4 की. NH4 पॉजिटिव, इट्स अ कैटायन. ओके, NH4 positive is a cation. So you may construct it CH3CO NH4. Okay, CH3CO is a anion negative and NH4 positive is a cation. तो इन दोनों को combine करने पे ये salt मिलेगा. Okay, similarly you can have this like this. You have NH4 PO4 PO3 is a phosphate. Okay, etc. Similarly there are other types of salts also जो weak acid और weak base से बनते हैं. ठीक है, चलिए बेटा मुझे एग्जांपल बताइए. ये इसकी हाइड्रोलिसिस करते हैं. CH3CO NH4. okay, add a mixture of water, add water to it, so it will be CH3COH plus NH4OH. ठीक है, this is weak acid and this one is weak base, but salt is an excellent electrolyte, so it will dissociate. CH3CO negative, NH4 positive, then water. ये तो dissociate नहीं होगा ना, it will remain as such, और वो भी dissociate नहीं होगा. ठीक है, तो it will remain as such. Okay, so you will get a solution which is like this way. Okay, so neither final solution neither contains OH negative nor it contains H positive. फाइनल सोल्यूशन में तो ना तो H पॉजिटिव है और ना ही OH नेगेटिव है. ठीक है, सो अभी तो मैं नहीं कह सकता कि वेदर दिस इज व्हाट एसिडिक और बेसिक. वी विल सी. ओके, वी विल बी सीइंग दिस थिंग. सो इट इन्वॉल्व्स, आप इस तरह से कह सकते हो कि इसमें जो है ना, इट इन्वॉल्व्स नीदर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ OH नेगेटिव नॉर द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ H positive, but final solution contains acid as well as base. Okay, final solution contains acid as well as what? Base. So it is termed as cationic as well as anionic hydrolysis. Okay, so it is called as इसको दोनों नाम दिए जाते हैं, cationic and anionic hydrolysis. Anionic hydrolysis. Am I right? Okay. So now take the general example of a salt BA. BA is a salt. आपने इसके साथ वाटर ऐड कर दिया तो बन गया क्या? BOH and HA. Remember, BOH is a weak acid, weak base, and HA is a weak acid. Both are weak. Okay, so this will be B positive and A negative. Plus you will add some water, so it will become BOH and HA. Okay, so let us suppose initially इसकी concentration C थी 0 and 0 थी इसकी concentration, है ना. अगर degree of hydrolysis H है तो this will be CH, this will be what? This will be C minus, and what? This will be C minus CH. Okay, this will be C minus CH, this will be C minus CH. So you can write the hydrolysis constant value KH as, okay, BOH HA, BOH, right, then HA divided by, okay, B positive, A negative. Okay, let's just have a value at this point. BOH is C into C minus CH. Okay, it is C minus CH, right, and HA is C minus, no, it is CH and CH, sorry, it will be CH, this will be CH, this will be B, that is C minus CH, and that is C minus CH. Okay, right. So let me call it as equation 1. Okay. So KH will be, this will be C into C, that is C square H square divided by, this can be written as C minus CH whole square. Okay. C minus H, that will be C minus H whole square. So you can write it C square H square divided by, you can take C square as common. So it will be 1 minus H whole square. C square and C square goes, it will be H square divided by 1 minus H whole square. You can take, if you take under root, it will be KH equivalent to H square. Okay, H divided by 1 minus H. Let me call it as equation A. We will be using this equation. Okay, so what you have done, you have written down the value of what? KH. Okay, it will be BOH, HA, B positive, A negative. So then you are using the values CH, CH, C minus CH, C minus CH. Okay, doing some mathematical stuff, and you are finally getting this equation. Okay, now for base, weak base. This is a weak base here. Weak base is involved, so that is BOH is a weak base. BOH dissociates to produce what? B positive and OH negative. Am I right? So you can write the value of KB. That is B positive. Okay, then OH negative, then BOH. Okay, let me call it as second. The acid is also weak, so we can write for weak acid also. For weak acid, can write Ka. Okay, for weak acid, acid is HA. You may break it down, H positive and A negative. So you can write as Ka, that is equivalent to H positive, okay, A negative divided by HA. Okay, let me call it as equation 3. Okay, so what you will do? Also, there is another point, that is Kw, that is H positive, and call it as equation 4. Okay, multiply equation 1, 2 and 3, then divide by 4. Okay, if you multiply equation 1, 2 and 3, see 1, this is the value, 2, this is the value, 3, this is the value, and 4th. Okay, 1 and 2 को multiply करोगे तो BOH and BOH will cancel out, B positive and B positive will cancel out, और इक्वेशन 3 के साथ आप मल्टीप्लाई करो तो A नेगेटिव भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा. ठीक है, HA भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो फाइनली रहेगा क्या? H पॉजिटिव एंड OH नेगेटिव. देन इक्वेशन 4 से डिवाइड करोगे तो वो भी कैंसिल हो जाएगा. ओके, सो इट विल बी KA multiplied by KB multiplied by KH divided by KW, and that will come out to be 1. Okay, so you may write KH as, it will be here, KW by K into KB. Okay, this will be the hydrolysis constant for this type of solution. Okay, now you have written down the value of this. Okay, this reaction is HA, gives H positive and A negative, है ना? अगर यहाँ से H positive निकालेंगे तो it will be, okay, tell me what is the value of Ka? H positive, A negative by HA. Okay, if we take H positive, it will be Ka HA by A negative. Am I right? So tell me what is the H positive divided by, it is Ka. What is the value of HA? Okay, we have written down the reaction, and what is the value of HA? If you remember, it is CH, है ना? And what is the value of A negative? If you remember, it is C minus CH. Okay, you can see the reaction. ठीक है? Okay, so H positive can be written as Ka. This will be CH. Divide by, take the C common, it will be 1 minus H. So it will be H positive equal to C and C goes. This will be Ka H by 1 minus H. Okay, use the equation A. Using equation A, what you will get? Okay, be quick and tell me what is the answer. Okay, H into 1 minus H, that is root of, right, root of KH. This is root of KH. if you remember from equation 1. Okay, so H positive will be equivalent to Ka. Okay, the value of KH is this. It will be Kw divided by Ka Kb. Okay, H positive will be, take this inside, it will be Ka square Kw by Ka Kb. Okay, Ka and Ka will cancel out. So what you are going to get is H positive equivalent to K and K cancel out. That is root of K Kw, okay, by Kb. Okay, so now pH will be equivalent to, it is easy to calculate pH, negative log of H positive. H positive is Ka Kw Kb raised to power 1 by 2. Okay, now the whole thing is mathematical stuff now. Okay, you may do that. That is minus 1 by 2 log of Kw by Kb. Okay, well, let us go stepwise. It's minus log of, okay, write it, K plus log of Kw minus log of Kb. Okay, simple. So you may write pH as 1 by 2. Okay, let me write it, 1 by 2 minus log of K. Is it clear? Second term plus minus, that will be minus, but let me write it plus minus of log Kw. Is it correct? Okay, third term is minus and minus plus, let me write it minus of minus log of Kb. I think the result will be same. Okay, so pH will be 1 by 2, this will be pKa plus this will be pKb minus, okay, pKw minus pKb. Okay, this will be minus. Okay, so you may write pH as 1/2 of, okay, write this term first, pKw plus pKa minus pKb. Okay, so this will be the final result for such solutions, pH. Okay, you may write at 298 Kelvin, what will be pKw? That is 14. So pH is, okay, let's write here 14, then divided by 2, it will be 7. That will be plus 1 by 2 pKa minus pKb. So देखिए हमने कहा इस हाइड्रोलिसिस को कैटायोनिक एज वेल एज एनायोनिक, ठीक है कि नहीं, बट इट इज pH is not exactly 7. Okay, its pH will not exactly be 7, it will be slightly greater than 7. Okay, now there is a condition. Okay, let's not make a rigid statement. हम इसमें एक चीज कर सकते हैं, अगर इस तरह से ले सकते हैं, देखिए अगर pKa लेस देन था pKb, चलिए पहले ग्रेटर देन मान लेते, अगर pKa ग्रेटर देन था pKb, ठीक है, मतलब क्या, दिस टर्म विल बी पॉजिटिव टर्म एंड इट विल बी एडेड टू 7, देन द pH विल बी ग्रेटर देन 7. ओके, लेट्स नॉट मेक ए रिजिड स्टेटमेंट. ओके, इट डिपेंड्स, राइट. अगर दूसरा केस ले लेते हैं, अगर pKa लेस देन था pKb, व्हाट विल हैपन इफ दिस इज लेस देन दिस, सो दिस टर्म विल बी नेगेटिव, so 7 minus something, it will be pH less than 7. Okay, and if it is equal, then obviously this term will be 0 and pH will be 7. Okay, if pKa is equal to pKb, then pH is equal to 7. Okay, in such type of solutions, see what happens. ऐसे solutions में क्या होता है, you have to check acid ज्यादा dissociate होता है या base, किसकी dissociation ज्यादा है ना. अगर एसिड की डिसोसिएशन ज्यादा है मतलब pKa ज्यादा है pKb से, ठीक है, इस तरह से, ठीक है. यू मे राइट डाउन द केसेस. सॉरी, इफ एसिड की अगर डिसोसिएशन ज्यादा है देन दिस विल हैपन, pH विल बी लेस देन 7, क्योंकि फाइनल सॉल्यूशन में H पॉजिटिव्स होंगे. ओके, अगर बेस की डिसोसिएशन ज्यादा है तो फाइनल सॉल्यूशन में OH नेगेटिव्स होंगे, देन द pH विल बी ग्रेटर देन 7, ठीक है. एंड इफ बोथ आर इक्वली स्ट्रांग देन द pH विल बी 7. ओके, दिस फिनिशेस व्हाट, सॉल्ट हाइड्रोलिसिस.